Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a very serious topic that could save your life. How to escape from a fire in a high-rise building. Inspired by recent events. Knowing what to do in those critical first moments can make all the difference. First things first, if you hear a fire alarm or smell smoke, your immediate priority is to assess the situation. Before you even think about opening a door, feel it with the back of your hand. If the door or the doorknob is hot, do not open it. The fire is likely right outside. If it's cool, brace yourself against the door and open it slowly. Just a crack, to check for smoke or fire in the hallway. If the hallway is clear, your primary escape route is the nearest emergency stairwell. Never, and I mean never, use an elevator during a fire. Elevators can malfunction, stop between floors, or even open directly onto the fire floor. Always take the stairs. When you enter the stairwell, close the door behind you to help contain the smoke and slow the fire's spread. Walk down calmly and hold on to the handrail. Now, what if your hallway is filled with smoke or the fire is blocking your exit? This is when you need to shelter in place. Your apartment is designed to be a fire-resistant unit for a certain period. The first step is to seal your door. Use wet towels, blankets, or even duct tape to block the cracks around the door and any vents where smoke could get in. This creates a barrier against the smoke. Next, call the fire department immediately. Even if you see them outside, call them. Give them your exact location, your building address, your apartment number, and which side of the building you're on. Tell them you are trapped. This information is vital for the rescue teams. After you've called for help, move to a room with a window, preferably one that faces the street so firefighters can see you. Open the window slightly at the top and bottom for ventilation, but be ready to close it if smoke starts coming in from outside. Wave a brightly colored cloth or a flashlight out the window to signal your location. Stay low to the ground where the air is clearer and try to stay calm. Help is on the way. Remember, having a plan is key. Talk about it with your family. Know your building's evacuation routes and always have an emergency kit ready. Preparation is your best defense. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please share it. See you next time.